this water pick is old, and it doesn't really have really good strong, it's not really strong as far as the water coming out of it. So we're going to take it off. I'm just going lefty-loosey, and it should just come right off. Yep, that's the way it does that. And then we're going to put some plumber's tape on here, and we're going to put our new shower head and faucet on there. And I think this one's going to work a lot better. So that's what we're going to do now. Got the plumber's tape right here. And all right, so we're going to go ahead and put our plumber's tape on. And just going to go around it. Oops, that was not good. That's what you don't want that to happen. That should work. All right, so first we're going to put this on. And basically it just requires me to just screw it on there, right onto this fitting from this side here. So I'm just going to go up, put it on there, and I got to go to the right. So basically I'm just turning it to the right until it gets tight. And now, there we go. So this head moves a little bit, and you can change the settings on it. All right, so anyway, there we are. The thing will sit here, and then we'll put her on there, and ready to go. Just make sure you got your washers in there, and then we'll try it out and see how it works. So I'm going to set this on the ground here. I'm just going to bring this up, and just got to get it on there. Righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, right? All I gotta do is get it started. There we go. Now we should be good. I don't use the wrenches or anything because, yeah, you know. Right, so this thing here goes right in there, like that. All right, there we go. So now you get two things. I guess we have to use this to change it. But it rotates around, and then we can use this. So we'll have to try it out and see how it works. There she goes. All right, not bad. Now it's got these little levers here, so let's see what happens when we change this. All right, so you gotta kind of grab it and twist it. It gives you different types of showers. Like that. But I like a nice hard shower. I think I'm going to go with that. I think that's going to be good. Now, let's see how this thing works. So apparently, I turn this, and this works too. Wow, look at that. So it works in tandem. So they both work together. That's off, that seems to dribble. And I think that you can turn that off too. Put this back up here. Like that. All right, there we go. I gotta say, it's pretty strong. Much stronger than my other one. So I think we're gonna keep it.